Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about idioms. First one is bucket list. People create bucket list to motivate themselves. Bucket list is a list of things or experience that person wants to do. Second is no pain, no gain. It means that you must do hard work and leave comfort zone. It endures your difficulties or discomfort in order to success or make progress. Third is butterflies in your stomach. It means that you are feeling nervousness or anxiety. For example, if you have to go for an interview, so you get worried. How will my interview go? What if I fail? So these all are nervousness or anxiety. Thank you so much.